Acts and Policies. Question 1. Consider the following statement about Extended Producer Responsibility (EPR) certificates. 1. The Extended Producer Responsibility (EPR) certificates that allow companies to bridge shortfalls in target through trading of certificates will be traded through Indian Energy Exchange (IEX) platform. 2. Extended Producer Responsibility (EPR) certificates is issued by the Secretary, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, MOE FCC. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 2. Consider the following statements regarding National Air Quality Monitoring Program. 1. National Air Quality Monitoring Program is a nationwide program of ambient air quality monitoring by the Central Pollution Control Board. 2. Under the program, 4 air pollutants with sulfur dioxide, SO2, oxides of nitrogen as number 2 respirable suspended particulate matter, RSPM PM10, and fine particulate matter, PM2.5, have been identified for regular monitoring. 3. Along with the monitoring of air quality, meteorological factors like temperature, relative humidity, RH, and wind speed and direction are also tracked under the program. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 3 only. B. 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 3. Consider the following statements regarding pesticide pollution and regulation in India. 1. Bureau of Indian Standards is responsible for recommending tolerance limits of various pesticides in food commodities. 2. Central Pollution Control Board is responsible for advising governments on technical issues related to manufacture, use and safety issues related to pesticides. 3. Biomagnification or ecological amplification increases pesticide concentration in the tissues of animals that feed on plants, insects. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 2 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 4. Consider the following statements regarding ethanol blending. 1. An ethanol blend is defined as a blended motor fuel containing ethyl alcohol that is at least 99% pure, derived from agricultural products and blended exclusively with gasoline. 2. The government has allowed ethanol production from surplus rice with Food Corporation of India and MAJ respectively for blending with petrol under Ethanol Blended Petrol (EBP) program. 3. The Government of India has advanced the target for 30% ethanol blending in petrol to 2025 from 2030. 4. Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas is the nodal department for promotion of fuel-grade ethanol-producing distilleries in the country. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 2 and 4 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 2 only. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question 5. Consider the following statements regarding Air, Prevention and Control of Pollution, Act 1981. 1. It defines an air pollutant as any solid, liquid or gaseous substance which may cause harm or damage the environment, humans, plants, animals or even damage property. 2. In 2007, an amendment to the Act also added noise in the list of harmful substances. 3. The Central Pollution Control Board lays down standards for the quality of air and provides technical assistance and guidance to the State Pollution Control Board. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. None of the above. Question 6. Consider the following statements regarding the Commission for Air Quality Management, CAQ. 1. It is a statutory body established under the Air, Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981. 2. It conducts research and development through networking with technical institutions. 3. The Commission will supersede bodies such as the Central and State Pollution Control Boards of Delhi, Punjab, Haryana, UP and Rajasthan. 4. The Commission is headed by Union Minister for Environment and Climate Change. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1, 2 and 4. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question 7. Consider the following statements regarding CAMPA, Compensatory Afforestation Fund Management and Planning Authority, Act 2016. 1. National Compensatory Afforestation Fund was established under the Consolidated Fund of India. 2. It will help to achieve the objectives of the Nationally Determined Contributions, NDCs, to create an additional carbon sink equivalent to 2.5 to 3 billion tons of carbon dioxide by the year 2030. 3. Under this Act, funds will receive payments for compensatory afforestation and net present value of forest, NPV. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 3 only. D. None of the above. Question 8. Which of the following are the areas where compensatory afforestation funds can be used for? 1. Treatment of catchment areas. 2. Soil and moisture conservation works. 3. Managing human-wildlife conflicts. 4. Payment of salary, traveling allowances, medical expenses for forest officers and guards. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 1 and 4 only. B. 1, 2 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 9. Consider the following statements regarding Comprehensive Environmental Pollution Index, CEPI. 1. It has been developed by the Central Pollution Control Board, CPCB. 2. Industrial clusters having CEPI score greater than 10 have been identified as critically polluted. 3. The index captures the various dimensions of the environment including air, water, noise and land. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 3 only. D. All of the above.